How do you improve quality? And how can you deliver it better than your competition? Simulation holds the key to this puzzle, but is often sidelined by time and process. A common challenge as cited by CPDA is that analysts spend one day or more dealing with geometry cleanup for each design iteration. A non-value added process, which is the result of disconnected, application-specific tools, that ultimately adds up to significant time loss over the entire product development cycle. NX from Siemens PLM Software answers this challenge through an integrated design and CAE environment that eliminates geometry recreation, speeds modeling, and enables earlier simulation. The NX integrated design and analysis environment puts the power of synchronous technology in the hands of the engineer, revolutionizing the way CAE analysts work with geometry. With an intuitive, easy-to-use interface, analysts can rapidly make major or minor geometry edits to complex geometry without needing to know how a part was built. Nor do analysts need to worry about breaking the CAD part when using synchronous technology. With NX, analysts get the power of advanced geometry tools, but with the speed, flexibility, and simplicity they require. A really great benefit of synchronous technology is that it can be used on geometry from all of the leading CAD vendors. This allows analysts who may be working with various suppliers using other CAD systems to have the same level of geometry control no matter where the data comes from. To see how the integrated NX environment can improve your analysis model preparation time, consider this example showing how you can use synchronous technology to clean up your imported geometry.
In this case, we've brought some geometry into NX from CATIA, and we wish to prepare it for analysis. As an example, this bar is at a slightly different height than the rest of the frame. Selecting them both allows us to very quickly eliminate this small difference. In the middle of this hole, there's a very small step. We're able to drag that out and remove the problem. Different features on the model are recognized automatically and can be resized to make them useful for meshing. And so very quickly we end up with an analysis model that we can use for our basic stress analysis. But what happens if you change the design? If you introduce a bead below the circle? Well, to NX, this isn't a problem. We simply bring in the new geometry and link it to the existing model. NX recognizes the difference and rebuilds the model, taking your previous changes into account, simplifying the whole world of simulation model preparation.
Customers are already realizing measurable productivity gains when using NX with synchronous technology for their analysis modeling. Nessus Engineering was able to reduce their modeling time by 70% thanks to the use of synchronous technology for defeaturing. The project involved this heavy casting developed as part of a wind turbine, and the correct mesh is important due to the need to understand fatigue performance. Before synchronous technology, Nessus had to mesh all faces before starting on the solid mesh, a task that could take more than 4 days. Synchronous technology allowed them to generate the mesh directly in a fraction of the time. This concludes our session on geometry cleanup with Multicad support. Watch your inbox for more upcoming solution briefs in our series on how you can optimize simulation productivity through one integrated analysis system. Turn to NX Lifecycle Simulation to reduce the time you spend cleaning geometry and optimize your overall simulation productivity. And thank you for watching this presentation.